Hey everybody, it's just Ron doing another unboxing. So I recently purchased the dual griddle grill combo, and I wanted to make sure I get a griddle accessory kit so I can go out, do some cool things on the griddle, on my grill outside, make some breakfast, do some fun stuff. Anyway, I want to try to find an affordable way to purchase some items without going to, Walmart and paying $7-8 an item. I picked this up from Amazon, probably paid about 20 some odd bucks for it. Comes with 19 pieces, so let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, cool. So let's see here. Comes with a bunch of accessories. Got the cleaning blade here. I think that's what it's called. Have a cleaning grill. We have a couple of holders for your eggs. These are gonna be pretty cool to put your eggs in. And you have two of those. Oh, actually got three. Got a heart-shaped one too as well. Oh, two heart-shaped ones. There we go. Comes with two circles and then two heart shapes. Let's make some fun eggs there, right? Got your salt and pepper shakers. You got salt and pepper, which is cool. All right, you got your cleaning brush. It's gonna be key to keep your griddle clean. So, yeah. Got a handle here for your cover here. This is gonna go on the cover. You can screw it in. It comes with screws already in it. Screw it in. And that way when you get your burgers or whatever you want to cover up, steam them up, it's going to be great for steaming. Make sure those burgers or meat is cooked thoroughly. Put this cover on, puts all the heat inside. We'll put that there. Got squirt bottles here. Use these for oil, sauces, whatever you want to use them with. Butter, put them in there. Oil if you want to cook with oil. You can use it for butter, whatever you want to cook with. It comes with two of those. All right, here's the fun things here. Got your big spatulas, right? Got one with holes in it. So we'll both have that has a hole in it too. But there you go. You can cut up your meat, flip your egg, flip your pancakes, turn your bacon with these bad boys. Nice thick handles on them, so that's good. Good material. Kind of heavy, got some weight to it. That's always good. Comes some tongs. Two more sets of long spatulas. Once again, two different versions here. The one with holes in it, and then the ones without holes. So good for doing whatever you need to do in your griddle. Flipping bigger pancakes, burritos, maybe tortillas, big steak or something. Gonna flip it. These two will be good for that. And also comes with this poking thing here. Stab your meat, flip it around, do whatever you want to with that. It also comes with a scraper here. Make sure you don't leave any food on the griddle. Make sure you get all that cheese up, all those eggs up, whatever you're cooking. Make sure chopped chicken, chopped, or even chopped chicken, or Philly cheesesteaks. You can get it all up with a scraper here. Put that there. Comes with a cool bag with the company logo on it. So 19 pieces. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 exactly. So it comes with 19 pieces overall total. So it's going to be a good starter kit. I put the link in the description below. That way everybody can see it. I think it should be just what I need to start off my Griddle Express here. And I'm going to walk over to my griddle and show you what I have there real quick. So once again, just showing you still in my house now, but it's the griddle combo here. And I'll be using that all to make some great meals. Get all your scrapers and your tubes and your tongs and your prongs and your cleaning gear and a tote bag to take it in, and also to a cover. So overall 19 pieces, pretty good affordable price. Got it off Amazon. We'll put the link in the description below. Everybody, please hit like and subscribe and support the channel. Just run out. Thank you.